to subscribe!
Introducing Eddy the Clever Fox, the smartest little fox in Pororo Village. If you ever have a problem you can't solve on your own, if you ever have a question and you don't know what to do, just turn to Clever Eddy and he'll help you through.
Hello, I'm Eddy the Clever Fox!
Eddy, 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 the clever fox. He's the smartest fox that you'll ever meet. Clever, clever Eddy is our friend. He's the greatest friend that you'll ever have. Eddy, Eddy the clever fox.
Sort and group.
The sun is up. But Pororo and Crong are still sleeping.
Oh, that's right. Everyone's coming over to play today. The place is a total mess. Crong, wake up! Our friends will be here soon, but look at the room. Let's clean up before they come. Hurry! Quick, quick, quick! There. Phew, we did it! Hi guys, we're here! Good morning! What do you want to play today?
Let's build a castle with blocks.
Sounds fun!
Okay, then I'll go get the blocks.
I'll help you!
They should be in the toy box, right?
So?
Yeah. It's full of everything except toys.
You're right!
Huh?
Pororo, come over here! What is it? Your blocks aren't in the toy box. What? Oh! Uh-oh! Do you mind if we do something else? I know. Let's read a book. Sound good? Okay.
Where do you keep your books? Oh, on your bookshelf, right?
Oh.
I don't see any books.
Where are all your books, Pororo?
They're supposed to be on the shelf. I'm sorry.
Don't be. It can't be helped. It's okay.
I know they're somewhere in here, but it's so hard to find things sometimes.
I will tell you why it's hard for you to find things. Problem! If there's a problem, we'll solve it. If you use your head, there's no problem you can't solve.
That's right!
I'm the smartest fox around. My name is
Eddy!
First, let's find where your belongings actually are. The first place we'll look is inside your drawers. Tisk, tisk, tisk.
What are my books doing in there?
Now the fridge.
My blocks! Why are they in my fridge?
This time, let's check inside the toy box.
No toys. It's full of other things.
If you keep different kinds of objects all mixed up, then it'll be hard to find what you need.
Eddy, can you help us, please?
Sure, I'll teach you how to organize your belongings. Sort similar things into separate groups, then finding them will be easy.
What does similar mean?
Similar means that things are alike or have traits that are the same. Now, let's practice with a problem. A star cookie, a square cookie, a round cookie, and a toy robot. Question, what's not similar?
Me! The toy robot is not similar.
That's correct. Congrats! The star, round, and square cookies are similar because they all belong to the same cookie group.
Here, enjoy.
The toy robot belongs to the toy group, so it's different. Time for the next problem. Pororo's jumpsuit, Petty's dress, Loopy's dress, and Poby's camera. Question, what's not similar?
Oh, my camera isn't similar.
That's correct.
Wow.
Pororo, Loopy, and Petty's outfits all belong to the same clothes group. But the camera isn't clothes, so it belongs to a different group. Sort clothes with clothes, books with books, food with food. If you sort all your belongings into separate groups of similar items, it'll make finding things easy.
Wanna organize Pororo's house using what we just learned?
Sounds fun!
Sort, sort, group, group.
Sorting, grouping things that are alike. Let's go! Sort food and put them together in one group.
1, 2, 3.
Sort toys and put them together in one group. 1, 2, 3. Sort clothes and put them together in one group.
Sort books and put them together in one group.
Wow, we're all done!
Same and different.
Pororo and Crong are playing with a ball on the playground.
I got it.
Rosie!
Hello.
I'm here too.
Hi! Rosie, could you kick the ball to me?
Oh, okay.
Wait a minute. Rhodey, kick the ball to me first.
You want me to kick it to you?
That's right. Kick it hard.
Hard. Oh, I understand.
You guys!
Hello! Everybody is here!
Were you playing soccer? Let us join you.
Okay, all right with you?
Soccer? Not a good idea. Oh, I know an even better game than that.
An even better game? What's that?
First, we'll have to go to the stage. Hello, I'm Eddy the Clever Fox. Now we'll begin a game called the Same and Different Game.
The same and different game?
Now I'll give you the first question. There's a white ball, a yellow ball, and a blue ball. And there's also a die. So, what has a different shape?
What has a different shape?
I don't know.
What could it be?
I'll tell you the answer. The white ball, yellow ball, and blue ball are round. But the die is a square. That's why the die is different than the balls.
Oh, so that's it.
Now, here's the next question. Of the red car, yellow car, white car, and blue boat, which one goes in a different place?
I know! The red car, yellow car, and white car all drive on land. But the blue boat can't drive on land. On the other hand, the boat can float on water. But the cars can't float on the water. That's why the boat and the cars go in different places.
Oh, bingo! You're right!
Now, I'll give the question this time. Of these fish, which fish has a different color?
Oh, I know! The fish with the big mouth, the sleepy fish, and the scary fish are red, while the fish with the large eyes is blue. So the fish with the large eyes is different.
That's right! Okay, now I'll give the next question. Of the duck, rooster, puppy, and ostrich, which one has a different number of legs? Oh, me!
Harry was a little faster, so let's let him answer the question.
Well, the duck has 1, 2, 2 legs. The rooster has 1, 2, 2 legs. The ostrich has 1, 2, 2 legs. But the puppy has... let's let Crong answer this. The puppy has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs.
That's right. The puppy has 4 legs.
Now, why don't we sing a song about what we learned? So white ball, yellow ball, and blue ball are all around. But the